guy right here, man. You know, I thought I spent a lot of time in the gym. Shoot, he spends a lot more time than anybody that I know, or maybe even in the world. But I know one thing. I wish I could curl more than he can. So I'm actually going to start listening to Mike's Able. So when you see this clip, Mike, I'm going to post it on my Facebook so you can listen to it. And I'm listening to you. So I'm going to do hamstrings on the same day that I do quads. Just for you. Alright? If it's not 30 inches, about like a tenth of an inch less than 30 inches, so you guys tell me what that is, I don't care. We've got this measurement down, it's remember, that's like I said, it's February 12th. We're gonna keep this going. That way you can track my progress as to how my legs grow and see if I can keep all that size while I diet. So until next time, YouTube, it's Jonathan Irizarry. Again, let's pronounce this last name correctly. Irizarry. Alright?